I seen this recipe posted not too long ago and I had been craving them ever since. So I got 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 tomato, 1 serrano, and half an onion. I diced that all up and seasoned it up really good and added some flour. Now I cooked some tortillas in the microwave for a little bit, sealed them off with the filling and fried them till they were nice and crispy. Then I made a salsa with tomatoes, chile de árbol, and I blended it up with some garlic. Now once it was blended, I just added some chopped up cabbage and topped off my tacos. These were so good. I hope you try it and you love it.